is given to you and we need to find in how many ways this can be splitted, right? 1500 is given to you. We need to find in how many ways it can be splitted when we are taking two factors at a time, right? So the question is very much clear to you. Now what we will do in such questions, we'll do the we will just split and find the prime factors of that given number. So here our number is 1500, right? 1500. So what are the factors, and those factors should be the prime factors, right? So how to find the prime factors, you know it, right? Just take this number and you can see from which number it is deducting. First prime factor is 2, so from 2 you can see it is 2 7 14, carry 10, 2 5 10. In 750 times it completely divided, and now comes the 750. So here the from 2 it's again divisible, and 2 3 6 15, 2 7 14, 10, 2 5 10. Now this number is not divisible by 2. Now after 2 the second prime is 3. So from 3 you can try it, because 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 5 15. 15 is 5 plus 1 6. So 6 is divisible by 3. So that's why this 375 is divisible by 3. So from 3, 3 1 3, 3 2 6, 15, 3 5 15. In 125 times it's completely divided. And again 213 plus 5 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. So what is the next prime? Next prime is after 2 and 3 it's 5. So from 5 it's easily divisible, because the last digit of ones at one's place is 5 or 0. In this case this will be divisible by 5. So from 5 5 to 10, 25, 5 5 25. Yes, in 25 times it's completely divisible. Now you can again see this is also divisible by 5. So now you can take 5. So from 5 is completely divided. Now we can write this 1500. This 1500 can be written as 2 is coming how much times? 2 times. So we can write it 2 square, isn't it? Multiplied with 3 is coming how much times? 1 times. So we can write 3 power 1. Then 5 is coming how much times? 1 2 3. 3 times. So you can write 5 power 3. So the main thing which we need to remember, or we need to understand, that what are the exponents of these prime factors, right? So the exponents of these prime factors are 2 1 and 3. And what are those prime factors? Those prime factors are 2 3 and 5, right? So in this case we know the total factors can be given by the formula. If this is a, this is b, this is c, or whatever, right? Then those exponents of each of the prime factors. So if we are considering 2, the exponent of this is 2. So this will be 2 is taken plus 1 multiplied by exponent of the second prime factor. Second prime factor is 3 and the exponent is 1. So this 1 is taken, 1 plus 1, and into this the previous one we have taken this 2, right? This multiplied by the third prime factor's exponent. So the third prime factor is 5 and its exponent is 3. So 3 plus 1, right? So we can say these are the number of factors of what? Of your given number 1500, definitely. So when you multiply, when you just solve it, you get 2 plus 1 is 3, multiplied with 1 plus 1 2, multiplied with 3 plus 1 4. And when you multiply all three together you will be having 3 2 6 4 24. So there are 24 there are 24 factors, 24 factors, and when taking two at a time, then 24 factors, and when taking two at a time, two at a time gives you total factors as 24 divided by 2, which is 12. So 12 is your answer, right? This 24 divided by 2, because into the question it has been asked that 2 at a time. So here this 2 reflects 2 at a time, right? And this proves your answer, and this gives your answer as 12, right? So 12 is your answer. If you find it useful, you can like and subscribe. I think this explanation is very much clear to you. Any doubt, you can put up into the chat box. Very quickly summarizing in 10 seconds, we need to find the prime factors or number of factors of 1500 when taken two at a time. So we have splitted into 1500 into its prime factor, and into the exponent form it can be written like this. And as per the formula, the number of factors is exponents of all these prime factors plus 1. Exponent of 2 is 2, so 2 plus 1, 1. Exponent of 3 is 1, so 1 plus 1. Exponent of 5 is 3, so 3 plus 1. Multiplied it all together to give you 24. So there are possible 24 factors. And when taking 2 at a time, so you divide it by 2 and your answer will be coming as 12. In this way we have solved this question. Thank you so much for watching. If you find it useful, you can just like. Thank you so much, students. Take care. Bye bye. I will come up with separate sessions again and again.